Hello kids, welcome to Learn TV. I am Miss Fakhra, your teacher. Today we'll learn dress names. Are you ready? Let's start. Ball gown, wedding dress, evening gown, cocktail dress, maxi dress, mini dress, midi dress, align dress, bodycon dress, shift dress, sundress, party dress, prom dress, princess dress, mermaid dress, kaftan, sari, lehenga, kimono, abaya. Great job kids. Keep learning and watching Learn TV. See you tomorrow at 6 p.m. Bye kids.